Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. Hi everyone, my name is Victor Aguirre, and hope you enjoyed the video. I'm very fortunate to be here at work today at my mattress store. It's Thursday, August 31st. And I've been here sitting thinking about what just happened this past week, what's happening today, what's going through everyone's mind. And it's tough. Houston is strong, and Houston will get stronger. My heart goes out to everyone. Let's just keep the spirit of humanity alive. Let's remember that everyone's going through a tough time right now, and we need to focus on empathy. We are more united when there's human engagement. It just brings out the best of everyone versus going towards a bottle or social media when we're going through tough times. Remember to love your family, your friends, your neighbors. Bye, Harvey. Hello, Imagine. Thank you for watching this video, and may y'all have a blessed day.